Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man coming back at you with another video. In this video, we're going to look at the 37-piece survival tool kit by okay, I'm not going to even try to announce that. You tell me how to pronounce this. But at any rate, let's check it out.
Strong.
So the 37 pieces come inside this very nice case. It's made out of hard plastic. The dimensions are 8 by 4 by 2 and it weighs 1.7 pounds. So it will fit very nicely in your go bag or your emergency backpack that you should have at home. Let's see what's inside this bad boy. Nice, sturdy clips on the side to keep it firmly secured. Voila! The first thing that we see is a all-weather notebook. A nice little notepad that you can write on. It's waterproof. Of course, the paper isn't waterproof, but yet still the outside is, so it prevents water. Next, we have an emergency blanket. It's waterproof. It will reflect body heat, and this is a nice reflective addition that you could use in a pinch. Next, we have a multi-tool 8-in-1 set, and it is made out of stainless steel. Comes in a very nice case. It has a LED light on it. It has screwdrivers. It has a knife, pair of pliers, wire cutters. So this could be used. It even has a keychain holder on it. So that's a nice addition as well. So next we have a bottle holder, and this is what you can use to secure the bottle to your backpack or belt. Next we have a survival bracelet that's made out of very strong and firm nylon. It's knotted together. It has a nice latch on it. You have a knife and a compass, and it fits quite nicely on your wrist. Next we have a tactical pen. Now it could be used as a weapon, or it could be used to crush ice, of course used as a pen, and also it could be used to break a window. Next we have a military folding knife with a 3.5-inch blade. It has a place on the handle that you can use to break glass. The blades are pretty sharp, so it can be used to cut wood or ropes. Next we have a blow fire tube. Now you can use this to blow air to get the fire going, and you can extend it out. Next we have a multifunctional spoon fork. It comes of course with a fork. You have a hanging hole. You have a wrench, a bottle opener, and even a spoon. Yes, nice. So next you have a firefighting stone. Now you use this to ignite a fire. It has a hexagon wrench on it, so you can use it for that. And you can also use it as a bottle opener. So next we have hemp or rope with special chemicals on it to make sure that it will not go out once you light the fire. So next we have two screwdrivers, a regular and a Phillips with the keychain, so you can connect it again to your belt or whatever you want to connect it to. So next we have a survival wire saw. Now you can use this to cut through just about anything. It will even cut through metal, but primarily used to cut wood branches. Next we have a carabiner clip, used of course to clip stuff to your belt or whatever you want to clip it to. Okay, so next we have a lot of different bandages. We have gauze, antiseptics, things that you can use to cover up wounds. Hopefully you will never get one, but it's here just in case you need it. Next we have a tactical flashlight that extends to a telescopic mode. So it's a nice flashlight that you can have. It's very small, portable, and it's pretty bright as well. So next we got a tool cart made out of stainless steel. It has a can opener, a knife edge, a screwdriver, a ruler, a cap opener, 4-position wrench, butterfly wrench, saw blade, a 2-position wrench, and a lanyard hole for a keychain hole. Very useful. And finally, the last thing we have is a whistle. Now, of course, this can be used to alert someone in an emergency situation, and it is pretty loud. So this has been a quick review of the LL 37-piece survival tool kit. If you found value in this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, ring the bell, share, comment, and a link for the product will be in the description below. Now I got this on Amazon for $39. So I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.
Get strong.